get discouraged, folks. I've seen a lot, especially in this month, when people get discouraged. They think that the Lord is not with them. And the Lord, actually, it is a win-win. They'll go through a trial or a test, but this trial and test is made for you to make you grow. It's not something that Satan brings upon you. God would never do that to you. Those trials and temptations that come from the devil are not the same as the Lord trying to make you grow. And he always does it caringly. Think about 1 Samuel, when the Amalekites stripped his men, his 2 wives, provision, they took them away. What did David do? It says, next verse, but he encouraged himself in the Lord. There he got his strength. And they went, and not only did they get the provision back, they got all the spoils back, and some. Okay? A little chest there, but what did David do? He went back to the Lord. In the Exodus, same thing. Moses was told to go to Pharaoh, said, let my people go. What happens? Pharaoh says, get out of here. Moses came back, and then all of a sudden the Jews had to work that much harder. What did Moses do? He went back to the Lord and said, Lord, help me here. What's going on? And that's when God said, now you watch what I'm about to do to Pharaoh. So don't let these bumps come your way. Be discouraged, but God. Remember that. Do not give up. Don't quit. He's for you.